I'm in the kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. This is my stewed chicken. This is how my stewed chicken look. See it? You can see. This is my stewed chicken. Show you another piece. Pot is very hot. Now I got some carrot in here and some potato to cook it down with. So my stewed chicken right here. Hopefully y'all can see very well. Pot is very hot. Welcome to my cooking channel and vlogs, Flossy Cooking and Vlogs. So today is Sunday and I decided to cook some stewed chicken and white rice. See, I got the rice on the pot. Pot is very hot, as you can see. So, rice pot is very hot. Now my stewed chicken over here. Looking so beautiful though. Try to give you all a better shot. So I'm gonna have a stewed chicken video coming soon. Over here we'll cook with love. We're all a family over here. You know, it's your boy Flossy Cooking and Vlogs. You know, cooking some authentic Jamaican dishes. And I'm teaching my American people how to cook my Jamaican food from my island. I mean, we're all a family. So, you know, it's all about love over here. But my stewed chicken looks so pretty. You know, it's a very beautiful Sunday. And I'm in the kitchen again. And a stewed chicken video. And white rice video will be coming soon. You know, it's a boy Flossy. Shout out to all my subscribers. I love y'all because without y'all, I'm nothing. Peace, love, blessing, prosperity. Look how beautiful this stewed chicken look, guys. I'll give you a very close up look on the chicken. You can see it. Yeah, this is my stewed chicken, you know, well cooked, like the fork even gone through the chicken to how tender it is. Yeah, so you know me in the kitchen, and you see I got some carrots and potato in there too. You know, all of the people I cook with love, you know. Cook with love. So that I do cook with love over here. You see our next piece of the stewed chicken here. Before gone through the chicken piece. But blessings to all my subscribers. You know I love all of y'all. You know. And peace, blessings, love, prosperity to each and every one of y'all. Welcome to my channel. It's a boy Flossy Cooking and Vlogs. I love everybody. Blessings to everybody. Prosperity to everybody. And I'll continue doing what I do best, cooking in the kitchen, and show you my authentic cooking, some authentic Jamaican cuisine, Jamaican cooking from my country, island, Jamaica. Peace, love, blessing, wealth, health, prosperity to each and everyone. I love y'all.